How to install an outdoor wall light. Installing an outdoor wall light is a straightforward DIY job, so let's get into it. First of all, if you're not comfortable working with electrical wiring, we strongly recommend using the services of a licensed professional electrician. Second, make sure that you read and fully follow the manufacturer's instructions for any of these steps and for any of the electrical connections that we talk about. And always be safe. Make sure that the wall power switch is in the off position and that the power is turned off at the breaker box. Use a voltage meter to double check that the power is off at the wall junction box. Now let's take a look at what's typically in the box. You're going to find a wall plate, the light itself with the LED array or bulb socket, a glass diffuser element, and the screws or hardware. Now the screws provided will work in most cases, but if you have an older junction box, you may need to source your own. You're going to need a screwdriver for sure. You may also need a wire cutter and a step ladder. This design has a mounting plate. Secure that mounting plate in place by tightening the screws. Now, let's connect the wiring. There's going to be 3 wires, a white wire, a black wire, and a copper ground wire. Wrap the copper ground wire around the junction box grounding screw, tighten it, then connect the wire's end to the ground wire. Use a twist-on connector to join the copper ground wire to the junction box's ground wire. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation off of the white and black wires. Use a twist-on connector to join the white wire to the junction box's white wire. Now, do the same with the black wire. Carefully tuck the wires into the junction electrical box. Attach the light to the mounting plate with the screws and parts provided. Next, install your bulbs and then turn the power on to make sure that the light works. To finish, use a bead of clear caulking around the wall plate where it meets the wall to make sure that no moisture can get in. Make sure to leave a small gap at the bottom to allow any condensation to escape. Explore more at lampsplus.com, and for more install tips, like and follow us. We'll light the way.